Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your HP OfficeJet Pro 8620 series printer on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. All you have to do is open up a web browser, and in the Google search, you want to search for HP OfficeJet 8620 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you come back with an HP support page that says HP OfficeJet Pro 8620E all-in-one printer. Go ahead and open that up. And now that we're on this page here, go underneath the support category that says software and drivers. Go ahead and open that up. And then just scroll down underneath driver product installation software and select the OfficeJet Pro 8620 all-in-one printer series full feature software and drivers and download that. And then once it's downloaded to your system, go ahead and open up that file to run it. And you can close out of the browser. If you receive a user account control prompt, it should be from a verified publisher, HP Inc. Select yes. And then just proceed with the on-screen wizard here of getting your printer configured to your device. Just select continue and then walk through the on-screen steps of configuring that. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.